Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to show you guys how to download and install Google Chrome for your Windows 7 device. So this should be a pretty quick tutorial and we're going to jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up a web browser here. Most of you guys should have Internet Explorer installed or included on your version of Windows. So we're going to open up that. And then once we're on Google, we want to type in Google Chrome and then you want to hit enter. And one of the best matches that comes up should say Chrome for desktop, at least at the time of this recording, and domain should say google.com. You want to make sure you download it from this domain. You want to make sure you're getting it from Google's own servers. So it should say browse fast, option to download Chrome, which we're going to do. If you want to set Chrome as your default browser, you can keep this option checked. And you can also keep the second option checked if you want to allow automatic usage statistics to be sent to Google. You don't have to keep these options checked if you don't want to, but we're going to keep them checked for this tutorial. So once we have made our selection, we're going to select accept and install. And if you receive a user account control window, you want to select yes. And you can close out of the web browser at this time. Okay, there we go guys. Google Chrome has been installed. And if we go and check our latest version here, we go under help and about Google Chrome, we should be running the latest version of the browser. So it should be pretty new, and you want to make sure checking for updates, and it should say it's all up to date, which it does. So that's very good, and I do hope I was able to help you guys out with this brief tutorial. I hope we got you guys set up with Google Chrome. It's a great browser. So as always, thank you for watching this tutorial. Hope it helped you out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.